This video is on the designation of configuration of chiral centers. So, we're aware that molecules can be right-handed or left-handed. But how do we know and how do we convey the message that a molecule is so? Well, first we gotta trust the Cahn-Ingold Prelog sequence rules of priority to figure out in what direction of rotation the chiral center is. First we need to find the chiral center. Once we have established that a chiral center is present, we next must assign priorities to all 4 substituents around that chiral center, using the Cahn-Ingold Prelog sequence rules. Same rules apply as with the EZ configuration. In the third step, we must view the molecule so that the bond with the lowest priority is facing the back, i.e. into the paper, as shown here. If the numbers follow a clockwise sequence, we would label this chiral center R, whilst if the numbers follow an anti-clockwise sequence, we label it S. Now you try. Designate these following chiral centers as R or S. You may pause now. And here are the answers.